So hey everyone, this is Young256. With me everything is possible. Today we are going to solve two issues. First of all, there are these people who don't know that you can have one USB drive or one flash disk that can handle all your Windows, let me say Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, like that. To the Windows, you don't have to carry very many flash disks. We are going to use one flash disk. That is booting one flash disk that it can handle all the versions you put there. And the other problem, when you try to format with Ventoy, people face this challenge when they want to turn to the other method. So I'm going to teach you two things in one video. First of all, if you're just on this step, you can just give us a few minutes. We are going to reach here. Let's first walk to these people who want to flash their flash disks to this to have different Windows like bootable device. Okay, this is how I going to start. First of all, subscribe please. I told you this channel is for the slow learners, so we work for the slow learners mostly. That's why we go slow and step by step, my brother. Let's dive into the video. First of all, we are going to download Ventoy. Okay, if you don't know how to download Ventoy, we are going to open our browser, any browser of your wish. Use this one. Okay, so you're going to put Ventoy. No, so we are going to put Ventoy. Okay, so Ventoy, you're going to download this first one, the one you see with www.ventoy.net. So okay, when you open Ventoy, okay, we have the new release. Make sure you download the new release, though there are other releases, but make sure you download the new release of Ventoy. If not, you can come here to downloads. If you don't see this, so this is in the news, but when you don't see it, you can just come to downloads and download the latest release. So let's download this Ventoy. So it's going to take you to this page. It has Windows version, it has Linux version, and live CD, any you want. So we are on the Windows version. So you're going to click the Windows version. You get? Okay. So when it loads, it's going to download. You're just going to follow everything. When you click Windows, it's going to download. Just follow everything. Like the way you see mine. Mine is here. So when it downloaded this one, the Ventoy, it came as a zip file. We extracted it to Ventoy 1, this one. So this is our Ventoy. Remember, we are learning how to boot our flash disk that it can handle all iOS. I don't know how you call them, but because me, I don't want to use these terms. I am working for a slow learner, the one that is down there. So I don't imagine that you know computers. So I want to use the words we all use down, not as a developer, not as anyone. Okay, so after extracting your Ventoy, you're going to find these files. What you have to open here is this Ventoy to disk. One thing, make sure you disable your antivirus. That's a big point. Make sure you disable your antivirus. So when you click in this Ventoy, let's click. First of all, you're going to insert your USB drive. Like you see mine, I inserted it. I inserted mine already. Let me show you here. Let me show you. Okay. So this is my USB. Let me try to remove it so that you can see it properly. Let me try to remove it. I think, yeah, you can see now it's removed. Okay, we put it back. We put it back. Okay, wait. Let me put it back. Let me put it back. We are coming to your problem, guys. The one who is facing the other challenge. Yeah, okay, let's put it back. So when we put back our flash disk, this is our flash disk. You get? Okay, so you're going to come to open your Ventoy. Open your Ventoy. Remember, it's in the folder. Open your Ventoy. When you open your Ventoy, make sure you select the disk you've inserted. Be very careful at this point. Be very careful at this point. Don't change anything. I've just done that for a reason, because Ventoy comes like that when the MBR is selected. So let's try to, after selecting our USB, we are going to install. You get? Please enter yes in the text below to confirm you need to do a fresh install. Yes. Okay. Then we press OK. Then we install. Okay. Yes, in capital letters, sorry. Yes. Yes, and enter. Yes. Yes. Make sure you don't have anything. Yes. So it's going to try to format and install. Just give it a minute. So most times this is the part where people face this error. This error, the one that says an error. So we are fixing two errors. Make sure we are learning how to install different OS, iOS, OSs, anything you call it. I'm really sorry. Yeah. But anyway, you'll have Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 8, Ubuntu. You can have Linux, any image on this flash disk. That means you don't have to carry different disks. So this is the part where many of you face this challenge. I'm just praying I get it. I'm just praying I get it so that I can teach you. So we give it a minute. I think we are going to get it. Just give it a minute. I want to teach you how to solve this. Yeah, make sure as we are waiting for this, make sure you go to www.donxtraboost.com. Please visit and you'll find something you really want. Trust me, donxtraboost.com has what you want. So many of you are going to face the challenge. We are just waiting. And remember to subscribe, share. I told you my YouTube channel is not for the experts. If you really know what you're doing, you can leave. You just comment and leave, or give us just a view. You can donate anything, but this is for the slow learners and the new learners on the market. Well, thank you God, I've got the challenge. So many of you face this challenge at this moment. Oh God. So many of you face this challenge at this moment. You face challenges at this moment. Let's see how we solve it. Okay. When you face this challenge, what you're going to do, you're going to press OK. I think now you'll see how we don't see our flash disk. We are going to close Ventoy. When you face the challenge. So now we are we together? 1, 2. Okay. So what you do, if your flash disk is in front, inserted in the top, on the front panels, please make sure you change it and put it behind. Make sure you put it to, they call it a motherboard. You use those USBs of the motherboard. When you put it there, come back, click and open your Ventoy. Come back, open your Ventoy. Go to options, come to say partition style, select GPT because it's the best. Select GPT. When you select GPT, make sure you've selected the drive you want. So let's try and install. There are different methods, but this is method 1. If it doesn't work for you, I'll give you method 2. Or it's still in this video, but I don't want the video to be longer. So let's just install and format. Yes. So with formatting, let's give it some time. Let me be pausing the video here. Then anyway, I want you to see step by step. Just take your time. Yeah, because I give in a lot. I sacrifice. I am working for the slow learners, the soft learners. So I'm sure you're going to pass this step. Yuck. Remember, I told you change your flash disk. You put it to the motherboard side. Then you select from MBR to GPT. Okay. This we wait. Ventoy is writing on it. The video is getting long, but I'm really sorry. Let's just give it some time. Okay. All right. Okay. I don't want to pause the video. I want you to see everything step by step. Please share, please subscribe, leave a comment. You can leave a thanks if it has worked for you. If it has not worked for you, you can tell me still in the comment section. I welcome every comment. Regardless, don't abuse. Okay, now is now okay. You see, it has worked. So Ventoy has finished its work. Congratulations, Ventoy has written what. So what we are going to do here, I don't want the video to be longer, so let me be brief. Let's close Ventoy. Okay. So after this, you're just going to get your image. For example, let me open Ventoy where the flash disk. Then get your image, that is, let me say Windows 11. Let me copy Windows 11 first. We paste it there. Okay, we also get Windows 10 and we paste it there. You can paste you can paste there your Linux. You can just get this image of Linux. The image, my Linux is not an image, it's virtual something, but you'll get the image of Linux. Me, I'm using a VirtualBox Linux, but you make sure you download this Linux, you put there. So after that, you'll just put in your system and try to boot your computer. The way you boot it, you'll see all Windows listed. Let me hope everything is okay. I'm really sorry if the video has got long. I'm really sorry. You know, I'm working for the slow learners. If you're a profession, I'm really sorry. Please visit my website www.donxtraboost.com. You'll support someone and I'm sure you'll get what you want there. Thank you so much. With that, I sign out. Love you.